Have you ever wondered about that how can you record a video while having a video call or audio call on your Snapchat? So this setting is quite easy, as we all know that we cannot do a video recording or we cannot do a call at one time. So how can you solve that issue, and how can you do this setting in your mobile phone? Maybe it's your iPhone, let it be your Android. We can do the same format in the both phones. So the first step is to go on your Snapchat here like this. This is my Snapchat option here. I will go on the chat screen. So suppose we are on a call now. So the call will show us on the top of our screen. There is a call, and how can you record any video or any photo with that? So I will just call any account and show you that how can you do that. This is my second account of Snapchat here. I will simply call an audio call from here. And what you have to do, just click on the right bottom of your screen called the arrow option here like this, and the screen will be minimized. As you can see, the call is on the top of my screen now, and I will click on the camera button here on my phone, hold it for 3 or 4 seconds. You can also switch to the filters, various filters here for your photo or for your video. So you can select the filter here. I don't want any filter, so I will click on the cross option. This is the normal video here. I will click it, and you can see the photo is captured now. I will simply click on the next and click on the same account and send this snap to that account. Let it be video call or let it be an audio call on Snapchat. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe the channel if you liked, and we will meet again with the next and the best video with all of you.